starting off our morning here. I don't know where we're at, but we're still near Eastwood. Yeah. Jen's gonna make banana con yellow here at the random food stand. That's her grandma. She's just selling some stuff down here. Yeah.
You want my big yellow?
No, I'm good. Nina, mais con hielo, saging con hielo. Bilang ka na. This is my job here in Manila. This is how I get around living life. Yeah. What are you eating?
Chicken blood.
She dipped it in the... Alright, I'm here selling. Side road. Yeah. Alright, they just finished opening up this Andox. It's like their KFC. They just grand opening today.